The question of whether we are alone in the universe is one of the most intriguing and profound mysteries that humanity has been pondering for centuries. While we currently don't have definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life, the vastness of the universe and the sheer number of potentially habitable planets suggest that it is highly likely that there are other worlds and possibly even other forms of life beyond Earth. In recent years, the field of astrobiology has made significant progress in understanding the conditions necessary for life to exist. Scientists have discovered that life can thrive in extreme environments on Earth, such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents or acidic lakes, leading to the idea that life may also exist in similarly extreme environments elsewhere in the universe. Additionally, the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system, has provided further evidence that Earth-like planets could be common. The Kepler Space Telescope, for instance, has found numerous exoplanets located within their star's habitable zone, where conditions might be suitable for liquid water and potentially life as we know it. While the search for extraterrestrial intelligence (SETI) has not yet detected any confirmed signals from advanced civilizations, ongoing efforts continue to explore the possibility. Scientists are using powerful telescopes and advanced detection methods to scan the skies for signs of intelligent alien civilizations, such as radio signals or unusual atmospheric compositions. It's important to acknowledge that the universe is vast and our understanding of it is still limited. There may be forms of life that are significantly different from what we envision, making their detection challenging. The search for extraterrestrial life is an ongoing scientific endeavor, and future discoveries may provide us with more conclusive answers to the question of whether we are alone in the universe.